Hey friends, I'm Brooke from Cherry Cove, and today we're going to be making some tie-dye.
Here are the supplies for today.
First, you'll want to have a lightly colored shirt or other clothing item to tie-dye. The second thing we're going to need are some rubber bands to keep our design together. Some gloves are also a great idea. The dye will dye our clothes, of course, but it will also dye your hands, so in case you don't want blue hands for a week, gloves are always a good idea. And lastly, of course, we'll want some tie-dye.
If you like, you can run your t-shirt under some water so that the colors will blend together a little better. To make a really cool double spiral design, you're going to fold your shirt over like this. It can be diagonally or any way you like. And then you're going to pinch where you want the middle of the spiral to be and twist it around until it looks something like this. Next, bring out your rubber bands to hold your design together. Now you're ready to start tie-dyeing. It's a great idea to have a tarp or something set up so you don't get your tie-dye all over the place, as well as having on clothes that you don't mind getting a little dirty in case you get some dye on them by accident. You can add the different colors however you like. I personally like to make them into little pie slices around in a circle, but it all looks really cool in the end. Remember to flip it over and dye the other side as well. Make sure you wait at least 6 to 8 hours before you take the rubber bands off. Then you can finally check out your cool tie-dye design. Here you can see that double spiral pattern and a nice mirror image right across your shirt. So cool. Before you wash your new tie-dye, run it under some cool water so that it rinses out all the excess dye. And when you do wash your tie-dye in the washing machine, run it by itself so it doesn't dye the rest of your clothes.
Thanks team! Make sure you tag See Me Science and share all your really cool tie-dyes with us.